This afternoon, platypuses, I would like you to do a P for C lesson, so philosophy for children. Our lesson today is going to be based on our whole school book, Lubna and Pebble. Now, the theme in this book is all about friendship. At the beginning of the story, we hear about Lubna, and she has a friend who is her Pebble, who becomes her friend, and she shares all of her thoughts to her Pebble. But then in the story, Amia arrives, and soon they become good friends, and they are there for each other, and they are able to share their thoughts and their worries with each other. So today, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to discuss this question. Now, normally we would have a discussion in the classroom, um, but you can still do this at home and share your thoughts and your ideas with your family at home. So the question that I would like you to discuss is, what does it mean to you to be a good friend? So this picture here is to remind you that you do need to discuss this. Um, so have a little pause of the video, have a talk about this, think about the story, and think about it. What does it mean to you to be a good friend? Once you've done that, what I'd like you to do is, I'm going to show you the next slide, which is you can put some of your ideas down on here. So, and also I forgot to say, when you are discussing your ideas, do you remember what we have to do in our philosophy for children sessions? Don't forget to give reasons. Don't forget to say why you think that's a reason for being a good friend. Okay. So here is what I'd like you to do. So you can draw these outlines in your book, and a good friend is. So I want you to describe 4 things that make someone a good friend. So what do you think makes someone a good friend? Is it somebody that listens to you? Okay. Is it somebody who is there to help you when you're feeling sad? It can be anything. Remember, these are your ideas and there is no wrong answer. Um, so you can draw pictures to go with this. You can write sentences. So I hope that you enjoy sharing this question with your family.